Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. As we were watching how the Zilliqa was forming a double bottom and it was also getting bounced by the support of a very big triangle. Right now the price line is likely to have a very nice bounce because it has broken out another down channel. As I was showing you in my previous video that the price line is moving in this channel. Right now we can see that we have a nice short rally and we are out of this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze is this move is going to be continued or we can have a pullback from here. But before moving to the charts and starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this big triangle that we were watching. Even in my previous so many videos, we are watching this triangle. And you can see that this is the descending triangle. And this is a very long-term support. The price line found this support here in the month of January 2021. And we had a nice bounce. And after some accumulation, we had nice bounce. And we again dropped at this support here in the month of July 2021. And again, we dropped here in the month of November. And again, after a short rally, we again dropped at this support. And if we watch on the daily time frame, then we can see that we are likely to form a double bottom at this support now. You can see that we were rejected here by this resistance. We moved down at the support, moved up, and now we are likely to have another bounce. Now, for example, if the price line moves back at least up to the resistance of this triangle, then we can see that this resistance will be approximately at 9.5 cents. But if we take a look at the Bollinger Bands, then you can see that the price line is dropped at the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands. At the same time, the price line is also above the support of this red line, that is the 200 simple moving averages. So we had three supports here. One was the lower bands of this Bollinger Band. Another one was the 200 weekly simple moving average, and also the support of this very big triangle. And after having bounced from here, we can expect a move at least up to this upper bands of Bollinger Bands. You can see this, the value of the upper bands. By the way, you can watch the values here. That is approximately at 12.9, approximately at 13 cents. Now, if we take a look at the target for this triangle, then if I place this trend line from this resistance to this support and place it here at the breakout point, for example, if we are expecting a breakout from here, that will be approximately 20 cents. By the way, if we change it to the log chart, then it will be more clear what can be our next target, because that was a non-log chart. And then we'll show you the target for the log chart, and that will be also approximately at 20 cents, at the same as like the auto or normal chart. Now, if we take a look at the oscillator, then stochastic, I told you that is also forming a double bottom. And previously, whenever the price line was moving at the support and the stochastic was entering the oversold zone, then we were having very, very nice rallies to the upside. Right now, we can expect the same move again, because the oscillator is showing on the weekly time frame that the market for Zilliqa is oversold. Now, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then this was the first signal I was telling you that can be the first signal for the bullish reversal from the support of a big triangle, that we need a breakout from this channel. And now we are out of this channel. And if we take a look at this move, then from here up to this top, this was more than 23% rally, and now the price line is having some correction. Now there is a very, very high probability that the price line will hit this resistance of this triangle, and then it will make a powerful attempt to break out this triangle. And in case of breakout, our target can be 20 cents approximately. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.